Hi, and welcome to the Guardian Way. Today, we're going to take a little bit of a different turn. On September 3rd, we're going to be hosting a webinar about the impacts of AI and security management. To that point, we put together a series of episodes here that are going to give our audience in advance of the webinar a little bit of information about the changing direction of security as AI becomes more and more adopted and integrated into the situation and into the situation of running the business. So Garrett Thomas, the founder of Guardian Protection Force and co-producer for our series, and obviously very involved in this whole element of AI. Good morning, Garrett.
Good morning. I've been saying for a long time that I see two camps in the security community when it comes to technology in general, not just AI, but the ones who believe that technology will take over and manned guarding or humans will go away, and then the ones who think that it's all garbage and it's the new flashy thing, flash in the pan. Uh, Now, I believe there's something in between that. AI is
Right.
going to be a tool, and it's a tool that people are using. It's a supplement, and it's not completely replacing everything, and it's also a an augmentation to the current physical security apparatuses that we use.
That's perfect. Well, great. Well, listen, on this first episode, we're going to talk about how it's changing the whole premise around physical security. So walk us
Mhm.
through these elements, will you, Garrett?
Yeah, so AI will become every security manager's assistant. I believe this to be true in many industries, but definitely in the security industry as well. AI will now analyze thousands of camera feeds, access control events, uh, alarms simultaneously. Security managers will spend less time monitoring screens and more time making strategic decisions. California organizations will increasingly rely on AI to improve response times while managing labor shortages. Security professionals must become technology leaders. There's a big reluctancy to utilize technology in the security industry. Well, that's changing very quickly. Future managers will oversee AI systems as well as personnel. Understanding AI analytics, cybersecurity, and integrated security platforms will become essential leadership skills. Organizations will seek leaders who can combine human judgment with AI driven intelligence. California will continue leading AI oversight. Privacy laws and employees' protections will heavily influence AI implementation. Businesses must ensure AI systems remain transparent, ethical, and legally compliant. Security managers will play a key role in balancing innovation with regulatory compliance.
This is great information. This is going to be a great preface to this, like I said, to the webinar that's coming up on September 3rd. So, Garrett, as we close out this particular episode, again, reinforce for our audience again all the array of services that Guardian Protection Force can provide.
Yeah, call us for our no fee site assessment. We also have workplace violence prevention development and compliance in the state of California. AI camera solutions, guard and patrol services, armed and unarmed, security operations plans and assessments, contentious termination services, and executive protection. Until next time, stay safe and we'll see you then.